Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello to Sophie and everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Ibrina, where I will tell the people I love my mom and dad. One father. Father is working tirelessly and complaining to profit for the family. Mother makes a living morning and night. What a fair he does even though he has to spend a lot of energy, work and sleep. He is a hard worker, loves his children, loves his family, and don't give 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 you easily. So many fathers are willing to sacrifice their own happiness because they want to make their family happy. Even though they don't take too often. The father figure has deeply hurt for the child. Yes, the father is a very important figure in life. Every day, her struggles, her works hard to give a good life for the family. Father is a figure who becomes a core in life. My father taught me to live independently, withdraw, and not be spoiled in life. I just want mm, no, sorry. One is one to make you what even though what happens and I was can always be the same as wait what sorry. I just want to make you both even though what happens can always be the same as what I expected. Two, the figure who always impress is the father. Three, father who don't take much, don't seem to care, but actual what is in his heart is only for if I have the chance to cause my father will still be my coach. You are the greatest father. I love you, Dad. Five, the greatest gift I ever had from good. I tell him that Happy Father's Day. I love you, Dad. See, my father give the best gift a person can give to another. That is the believers in me. Seven, my father said to me, being a job that you love and you don't have to work a day in your life. Eight, father loves can threaten his child. Nine, a father at which is a form of concern for use his children. Teen father is someone who always believes in your abilities to fit person who always believes that you can. Sorry for stopping line 11. Father cannot leave his child alone. He will always go and with the death of your life. Twice, a father is willing to work hard for a happy family. Be a great father. Still, a father must understand the wishes of his child, but on the other hand, a child sometimes behaves indifferently toward his father. For them, father's love is something invisible because he is not good showing it. Python, my stupidity all the time to follow my ego that you knowingly hurt you, father. 16. I hope the father there can hear the cries of his child who is missing him. 18. Father is the head of the family. Respect and love him through his life. 19. To the world you may be just someone, but to me you are the world. Father, I love you. 20. Take care of yourself there. Far away, my prayers will be sent to take care of you. 21. Maybe we will never hear a father cry because a father always wants to look strong, strong so that his child can take shelter in his hands and cats without ever doubting it. He can give him a sense of security when the child feels threatened. That's 22. Pets father from children within the worker homes comfort work. This a fine condition from the employer's reprimand at the office. The father, son of the children hanging at the door, is what causes the heirs to become the effect of the salary smell. The fudge of the father of the children, that is the backbone and the run thief for human livelihoods. 23. Why is the moon in the window getting dimmer and dimmer? Because it ran out of oil and energy. Drinks are getting more expensive. Tomorrow's getting harder to buy. Under the window the boy was busy studying math. She wept silently. Bit of gasoline melted from her eyelid. His father had not decided money to buy for school. His mother lay sick at home. Shame on the teacher and his friend. He tried to put his body on the list that mom that Mom Lawrence jumped up from his illness. He grabbed the little body and embraced it. Refused to damage today and forgive our property. Sorry for taking time. Here I will not read everything. I will continue to months. Mom's mother is a figure who really loves her children. Mother is also a winner and in the world. From a mother we learn how to love unconditional, un, uncon, unconditionally. Like a mother is not an easy job. He gives all his time and energy to his family. Mother, work of wisdom are everything also describes how much a mother means to the family. This word can also be a gift that is no less beautiful than flowers or chocolate when it is a special moment for a mother. One, a mother is is the one can replace all others, but was that no one else can take. Two, oh my mother, you are the woman I have loved all my life. Forgive yourself if anything is wrong. Your sacrifice is without reward. Three, like the air of love that you gave, I can replay. For one live, don't expect anything back like the sunshine on the world. Five, I love my mother like I love water and sunshine. She helped me grow, develop, and reach great heights. Six, the mother head is a classroom where her children. I had the villagers say the greatest forgiveness is that which a child takes from his mother. The greatest sees in the sin of a child to his mother. 8. Mother always have a pledge to hold grief. The kid then kiss it and writes. 9. Mother is the greatest in the world because he gave birth to life and give life to the world. Then the sea is like a mother, deep and waiting. 11. Any mother, good or bad, is still hurt when a child is reproached, even though the reproach is not wrong, nor is it slander, but the umbilical cord of a child from its mother is now separated by a pair of separation of the world between the two of them. There is an eternal bond, which even by a father is incomprehensible. Twilight, murder is the pulse of time. Thir- 13. Those who cannot appreciate the profession of also weakness and even look down on the soul appearance work themselves or busy and heavy the burden is. For the 14th, later on, when someone stupid asks, what is the role of the mother in the family, should answer, 15. Home is where my mother is. 16. The more I grew up, the more I realized that my one mother was the best I ever had in my entire life. 17. A great mother is one which floors a messy kitchen, a pile of laundry, dirty cookware, and a heavy chair. 19. A mother is like the sunshine that illuminates our whole morning and the evening star, which guides the way home for all of us. 18. Thank you, Mom. You are the only one who truly loves me. Twyla, even till the last on you are always the first to temper my emotions. Part of 5 packs. 21. 23rd. My mother is my real hero because of her struggles. I can live to this day. 20. My love will always last for you, Mom. Sorry for talking time. And I will not arrest everything. And I will shorten it immediately in the end. Forgive your children, Mom, who have not been able to make you happy, always trouble you, and thank you also for your affection, love, attention, care, protect, use, reflect, father, position as head of the household. May Allah repay all the goodness Mama so far, Mom so far. Mom, we are children, you will always to be happy age. Mom even took we will never be able to repay him. I love you, Mons. Once again, thank you for all the good things. Their evidence is father and mother. Sorry for everything. For all this time, I love care for you, mom and father, mom and dad, as you, mom and dad are. This is all I can say. If there is something wrong, I apologize profusely because I am still learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. No, sorry. Thank you, the Sophie and everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.